Hello guys, how are you? Wish you a warm welcome to our channel and also our little family, freecourses.com. So at first of all, those who are my new family members, thank you to all of you, those who are subscribing my channel and to be a part of our little family. Okay. So today's notification is very important guys because today's notification coming from Amazon AWS. So please, it is my earnest request to all of you, please stay at the end with me. Okay. So I hope you all of are beneficial from that video. Okay. So Amazon Web Services will announce an awesome day online conference with Intel. Okay, so it is a 13th September 2021. This event will be organized in totally in online. So essential training to begin your cloud journey. So I hope you all of are known, or if you does not know, no issue, guys. I am telling you everything in details. So Awesome Day online conference program. It is a free cloud training delivered by the AWS Technical Instruction designed to enable your AWS cloud concepts, core AWS services, and ways these services enable an innovation for variety of new applications and industries to accelerate your success of Amazon cloud. Okay, so those who are quite interested in cloud computing and how the cloud will be doing his works, okay, and the internal implementation of it, so this is the very important beginning course for you guys, because from here the cloud instructors will instruct you how you can start your cloud journey. Okay, so there will be obviously some highlights, five fundamentals modules, video tutorials, live question and answer, and certificate of attendance, which is a very important. Okay, so you also get video tutorials which will be very beneficial for you to revise these concepts. Okay, so those who are miss a single concept, so watching that video tutorial you will be remember that. So conference time, so there will be different conference time in Australia and New Zealand and India and Sri Lanka and ASEAN and Korea. Okay, so there will be different locations for different time. So if you are a Indian person, so there will be three timings for you. One is the 6 to 9 a.m. and another is the 10:30 to 1:30 p.m. and another is the 2:30 to 5:30 p.m. Okay, so another for the, and please if you are in which region are you belong, so please go this section and select your timing, okay, which will be suitable for you. So it is here is the register button. You will be registered for that. There will be agendas, and what is the agenda is nothing but the introduction to AWS and introduction to AWS certificate, computing, storage, databases, introduction to AWS services, networking and security, and what are the networking security innovations of AWS, and most of the things. So there will be FAQ section. It is a very important section, guys. Many of you have a query that how where the AWS Day online conference hosted and who should attend this awesome day conference, and many of questions I hope you coming in your mind. So please go to this FAQ section and search for your query. Okay, so I hope you will be find your query. So if you not, please comment me in the comment section. I am trying my best to help you. Okay, so let's going to the important part, which is the create a AWS account. If you obviously have a account, so there is no issue. Okay, but the creation of this AWS account is very easy. So I am showing you. Let's see. So it will opening. So please take time. Sign up for AWS. At first, you have to fill up your email ID, then password, then confirm password, then AWS account name. What account name you want to show in your account? There is a continue. There is a next process. Okay. So there will be very easy process, guy. You go to that. I am all respective links I am put in the description. Please go check out the description, and you will be get that. Okay, so that is the another important thing, guys. In my channel I am every day I am trying my best to uploading best quality contents, like on the webinars, free premium courses, and there is a one important course, guys, for Oracle. Okay, you must check out this course, free Oracle cloud certification. I hope you all of are known that Oracle is mainly about his databases, Oracle databases and Java. Okay, so please check out, and please guys, please subscribe my channel. Okay, I need your love and your support. Without your support I can't do nothing. Okay, so that's it for today. So please After watching my video, it is my honest request, before subscribing my channel, go to that and create a account as soon as possible. Create a account because it is an awesome online session, guys. So you must attend this session. You also get a free certificate which you show in your resume or LinkedIn profile. Okay, which will be very beneficial for you in the next future. Okay, so that's it. So again, I am remember you, please, guys, please, after watching my video, okay, if you are a subscribe my channel, if you're not, okay, guys, it is it is your choice, there is no, okay, so please create a AWS account and please register for that event. Okay, so thank you to all of you. Okay, in the next day I am coming with this type of a, thank you.